What's going on? Gozy here. Welcome back to the channel. Dropped a video a couple weeks back showing y'all the new buy. It is a 07 Z06 ProCharged, and I've been trying to be a little bit more consistent with my videos, but I've just been so busy. I made rank in the Navy, and my management scope pretty much doubled. So I mean, and then trying to balance that with my online classes has been very rough. But as you can see, today we are in the garage doing a little bit of maintenance. I've been having this squeal from the right brake rotor, so I'm going to be taking it apart, greasing it, and hopefully that solves our issue. I realized I never gave you guys a good breakdown on what's done to the car, but before we jump into that, let me show you guys what I did on my spare time during the week.
Side, light this bitch up.
We're gonna start with the biggest neck breaker, the biggest eye catcher, and that's gonna be the Morimoto power steering reservoir. I'm just kidding, guys. It really complements the metallic, or I guess aluminum finish on the ProCharger, and it kind of brings life to the engine bay. It has a 103 Nick Williams throttle body and a Morimoto radiator. Passenger side, we have, of course, the ProCharger. Gonna zoom in on that. It is an F1R with a ratio of 5.4 to 1, and we are running, of course, no filter. Next to the dry sump, we have our standard Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator slash gauge, and it is boost referenced. That way it allows a certain amount of PSI based on how much boost that it sees. Essentially, the higher the boost pressure, the higher the fuel pressure as well. I think that's all that's worth talking about engine bay wise. On the interior, I kept the seats from the old vet. NGW shifter, NRG steering wheel, and the car came with a couple gauges, air fuel and boost gauge. Took the trunk out, save some weight. Drag wheels, 15-inch Rick and Thompson ET Street R 325 50 15s, and they definitely hold a little bit more power. I'm having better luck with these than I did with the ET Street SS. I wasn't sure if I said it earlier, but I've been having a slight squeal coming from this caliper, so I'm going to be taking it apart, lubing it up. I did install a coilover. I wanted to record it for you guys, but I just had to just knock it out. I had multiple papers due, and so yeah, but I could run through it real quick. In order to get the coilovers properly mounted, you're going to want to undo these 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that'll give you the proper height clearance that you need to then slide the old shock out of this area and out. You're also going to want to undo this bolt down here, and I believe I just popped it out and I just brought it back down this way. That was it. It took me maybe 15 minutes each side. I think the hardest part was getting the rear leaf spring out of there. So the hardest part was getting the leaf spring out because it spans the entire length of the suspension. So pretty much had to unbolt it from here and then slide it all the way in one way just to pop the other side out, and then take the side out, and after that it was pretty straightforward. And shit is straight piped, running no mufflers back here. Gets really loud. Took the calipers off, brake pads bone dry, so hopefully that's what the issue was. I'm gonna grease it up now with some of this good old brake grease and see if that solves our issue.